Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and what your profit store. Whether you are clearing out your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. The first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you can also download it on Google Play and you get started and you sign up, and this is how it works. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate tips for creating a catchy listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach, from choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics. We will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So you have just to click over here, then you scroll down and you'll find Marketplace here. Buy and sell in your community. As you can see, this is the home page. We have here some products. You can just buy it if you want. Then we have here notifications, inbox, buy-in, recent activity, saved your alerts, following Marketplace profile. You can just create new listings if you want. Then we have your selling also, seller dashboard, your listings, announcements, inside Marketplace profile, filter search by such also, and you get started and then you sell. Then we have here also location, categories or niches, vehicle, property for rent, classified, and ratings. So say on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits. First, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces. With tools to create appealing listings and options for sharing within local groups, sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances for successfully sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So we have just to click over create. We have here choose listing type. The first one we have item for sale, which is create a single listing for one or more items to sell. Then we have vehicle for sell a car, fan, or other type of vehicle. You have property for sale or rent, list a house or flat for sale or rent. I will click over this one. Once you do that, the first step that you have to do is add a photo for your product. For example, I will add this one. The lesson preview. As you create, we have here is it. Then I will write a title. Now firstly be as descriptive as possible. So basketball. Then we have your price, $50. Then we have the category, antiques and cocktails, arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories, baby products, bags and gifts. Then we have books, films and music, mobile phones and accessories, clothing, shoes and accessories, of course this one. Now here boys accessories, boys clothing, boys shoes, girls accessories, girls clothing, girls shoes also. You can just select this one or this one. Then we have your condition, new, used, like new, but used good or used fair. So I'll click over this one. Then we have here attract more interest by including more details. You have here also the size, the shoe type, athletic shoes, we have here more details, attract more interest by including more details. First one, post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. Remove your hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends or Facebook and Messenger in most cases. You have a marketplace. Items are public and can be seen by anyone or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't followed on marketplace. See our commerce policies. Then you click over next and you start publish it. So in Facebook it's very famous first, and you have a first people, several things also. You can just get started as soon as possible. So say on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach a broad audience while ensuring a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn unwanted items into cash and potentially grow a thriving side businesses. Embrace the platform's potential and watch your sales flourish. So, say on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits. First, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions and potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces. With tools to create applied listings and options for sharing within local groups, sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So, seeing on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to decode or start a side hustle. You have to delve into the ultimate types for creating a kitchen lessons, setting competitive prices, and maximizing reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, you will just cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. So this is it how it works with Facebook. You can just get started as soon as possible, and this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you guys in the next video. So don't forget like, comment, and if you have any questions feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I'm glad to, sorry, I will be glad to hear that, and I will try to find a solution of your problems. So this is it for this video guys. See you again in the next video.